Good morning student, myself Rajni Madhukar. I am once again here for you for your online classes. Now student, we already started our chapter number 6. In this chapter I explain you so many things. Now in the last lecture I explain you about the digestive organs, means that those are the participating in the digestive system, means how your body digests the food. Whatever you have in your daily routine, if your body not, means organs, those are participating in the digestion, they are not function properly, you don't get which thing, nutrients. Okay, whatever you eat in your daily routine, you don't get directly energy from that food items. Okay, means if you have rice, if you have it, means आप उसको खा लोगे, you don't get direct energy from that rice or any food item. For that your body do some work, means the organ, those are participating in the digestive system, they digest the food process by process. Okay, not together, one by one. Clear? And I also wrote the name of the digestive organs, those are digest our food. Okay, from beginning to end. Okay, first is mouth, second is food pipe, means esophagus. I showed you this diagram, those are given in the page number 35. In the same way, I bring here one statue for you. Okay, it shows the internal organ of your body. Look here students, I also draw here picture. Okay, this picture showed you full digestion of your food, means digestive organs. Okay, now this is also showed you how your body start functioning. Okay, this is the mouth. Now food pipe is here. After that, this is the lungs and heart. They don't participate in the digestion. Okay, now after that your lunch reach here. This part, what is the color of this part? This is the liver. Okay, now here inside the liver your stomach is here. Okay, stomach is a pouch like structure, एक छोटी सी थैली के जैसा होता है. Okay, now the liver and stomach functioning both together. Why? Because the liver extract some juicy enzymes. Okay, are digestive enzymes that help to digestion of the food. Okay, clear? Means this is liver. Liver have some juice, those are helpful for the digestion. Now in this side your stomach is there. This is a pouch like structure. Okay, and also given in the book. Clear? This part, the liver, what is the color of liver? This is red. After that here pouch like structure is there. This is stomach. Okay, clear? Now look here student, this is intestine. What is the color of intestine? The outer layer is green. Now what is the name of this intestine? This is the large intestine. Okay, now this is small intestine. Okay, between बीच में जो है वो क्या है? Small intestine, and this is large intestine. Clear? Now through the diagram I explain you digestive system. Okay students, now the organ of the digestive system is mouth, when you want to eat something, anything, first you use your hands, fingers for that. Means if you take a bite, how you take a bite of your food? With help of, you take help of your finger, na? Means through your fingers you take a bite of food. Okay, like this. Suppose I give you one example like this. When you use your mouth, now the second your food enter in your mouth. Okay, now which thing present inside of your mouth? Here teeth plus saliva. Okay, teeth and saliva present inside of your mouth. These both are functioning together. How? I explain you. Okay, now this saliva is there. Now student, teeth and saliva is there. Teeth divide your food in the small parts. Okay, is it clear? Now the saliva is also there. How that saliva comes in your mouth? Through the salivary gland. Okay, one gland is in your mouth that extract the saliva. Okay, clear? Through the salivary gland, your mouth become full of saliva. Okay, now when the food mix with the saliva, so the food becomes soft and meshy. Okay, clear? Moist, soft and moist means हल्का गीला हो जाता है. Okay, now after that through the tongue, your tongue also help for the chewing of your food. Okay, when you finish the chewing process, means when the saliva mix with your food and your teeth also work properly, means divide your food in the small particles. After that, with the help of your tongue, that food swallow and send it to in which part? In your food pipe. Okay, clear? For when your food reach from mouth to food pipe with the help of your tongue, which part help to send the food from the mouth to food pipe? Tongue. Okay, in the mouth 3 organs works so fast. Means when you eat something, when the food enter in your mouth, your teeth start functioning. Means you start chewing the food. Now by the chewing process, your food become divided into the small particles. Now the salivary gland also extract the saliva. It makes your food soft and moist. Okay, now after that your food through your tongue send it to food pipe. The another name of food pipe is esophagus. Okay, the esophagus help. Here what happened here? This is a pipe like structure. Okay, only the esophagus send your food to inside your body for the next process. Okay, I give you simple examples. When you want to send water into all parts of your house, so how you send that water? From the tank to all the parts of your house, means in the kitchen, in the bathroom, in the toilet. Okay, so how? Through the pipe. The same process going here, from mouth to stomach. Your food reach through the food pipe or through the esophagus. Okay, the name of the food pipe is esophagus. What is the name? Esophagus is a food pipe. Okay, the food pipe and esophagus is same. Okay, now after that, the next part is stomach. Stomach is a pouch like structure. Okay, छोटी थैली जैसा होता है. Now through the food pipe your food reach here in your stomach. Okay, now the liver also attached here. Now your body start the second process, means your liver give some digestive juices to your stomach. Okay, through that juices your digestion process become fast. Okay, clear? Means liver extract some juice, that is the digestive juice. The stomach use that and your digestion process become fast. Okay, after that your food juicy digestive juices, means those are extracted by the liver. Here only your food mix with the digestive juices, and now your one process also going here, means here your food churn and mix. Okay, और ज़्यादा बहुत ज़्यादा पतला हो जाता है, become in the juicy form. Your food juices also there and some food particles is also there in the stomach. Now after that that food item transferred to into the large intestine. Okay, before that your food reach in the small intestine. Okay, not large intestine is here. Clear? Now this is the small intestine. Now after the stomach your food reach into the small intestine. Okay, small intestine, here your food reach in the juicy form. Okay, clear? And this part is the largest part of your, this organ is the largest organ of your body. Clear? Small intestine. Now, and it is a very highly coiled, means बहुत ज़्यादा मुड़ी हुई होती है हमारी बॉडी में. ओके, now here again the small intestine divide your food into the so small particles. Okay, बहुत ज़्यादा बारीक कर देती है. Here your food become in the liquid form. Okay, पानी जैसा बन जाता है. Clear? Now some pores is there in your intestine. There are pores is present there. कुछ छोटे छोटे छेद होते हैं आपकी intestine में. Through that pores your small intestine absorb the nutrients from the food. Okay, now here your food becomes so much liquid. Now the small pores present in the intestine, that pores absorb the nutrient from the food and send to the blood. Blood is also there, so that nutrient mix with the blood and reach to the all parts of your body, because each and every organ use blood for the functioning. क्लियर? हमारे सारे इंटरनल ऑर्गन को क्या ज़रूरत होती है? जैसे गाड़ी को चलाने के लिए फ्यूल की ज़रूरत होती है ना, तो सेम वे हमारी बॉडी को ब्लड की ज़रूरत होती है सभी ऑर्गन्स को चलाने के लिए. क्लियर? ब्लड हमारे लिए फ्यूल का काम करता है. बट हाउ वी गेट दैट फ्यूल? whatever we have, it mix with the blood and reach to the all parts of body and our organ functioning properly. Okay, clear? Now after that food means nutrients absorbed by the small intestine. small intestine जो nutrients होते हैं, कार्बोहाइड्रेट, प्रोटीन, विटामिन्स, मिनरल्स, ओके, इनको सबको एब्जॉर्ब कर लेता है. और उसके बाद आफ्टर डेट द रेस्ट ऑफ द पार्ट्स जो छूट जाता है, गेट सेंडेड टू दी लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन. क्लियर? लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन हियर एब्सॉर्ब दी इन दिस पार्ट, एब्सॉर्ब दी वाटर एंड मिनरल्स. ओके, nutrients absorbed by the small intestine and minerals absorbed by the large intestine and also water. Okay, now those are the waste material extract from the anus. जो waste particle होता है हम उसको anus के थ्रू बाहर निकालते हैं. Clear? तो this thing going into the digestive process, digestion process. Okay, now once again I explain you here. Students, look here. Now our digestion process start. Once again here students, see this. Okay, have you seen all the parts? Our digestion process starts through the mouth. Before that, our finger help us to digestion of the food, in the digestion of the food. Now, when the food enters in the mouth, our teeth start functioning. Means our teeth chew the food. For the chewing process, we use our teeth. Okay. Now, after that, the teeth start chewing the food. And also the saliva mix there. Okay, the saliva mix with our food and make it moist and soft. Okay, now how the saliva comes into our mouth? Through the salivary gland. This is the gland. एक गठान जैसी होती है हमारे माउथ में अंदर की तरफ. That extract the saliva. वो हमारे मुंह में सलाइवा भेजती रहती है. ओके, सो थ्रू डेट आर माउथ बिकम वेट. इससे हमारा पूरा मुंह गीला रहता है. ओके, क्लियर? थ्रू दी टीथ एंड सलाइवा आर फूड बिकम सॉफ्ट एंड डिवाइडेड इनटू द स्मॉल पार्टिकल्स. नाउ थ्रू दी टंग, व्हेन द आर टीथ complete their process, through the tongue send the food into the esophagus, means into the food pipe. This food pipe, through this food pipe our food reach into the stomach. Clear? Now stomach attached with the liver. This part is liver and this is esophagus. Oh sorry, stomach. Okay, now the food here moist and divided into the some small particles. Now the liver extracts some digestive juices. That juices mix into the food and which stays in the stomach. Means here our food mixed with the digestive juices and become some liquid form. Clear? And also here our food churn and break down means in the small particles. यहाँ पर एक जूस जैसा बन जाता है. क्लियर? और बहुत ज़्यादा इसको जैसे घुमाते हैं ना हम लोग मिक्सर में खाने, वैसे डाइजेस्टिव जूसेस चर्न दी फूड, उसको बहुत ज़्यादा जिससे लिक्विड गाढ़ा बना देते हैं. ओके. आफ्टर डेट आर फूड रीच इनटू द लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन. दिस इज द लार्जेस्ट ऑर्गन ऑफ आवर बॉडी. क्लियर? And here our food also divided into the so small particles, so much small particles. Clear? And those are the nutrients are present in our food. So the small pores present there means in our large intestine small pores is present. Those are absorb the nutrients and send it to the blood, and that blood carry that nutrient into the all parts of our body. Okay, because I give you example now. If you want to ride a bike, you fill the fuel in there. आप उसमें पेट्रोल भरोगे. In the same way, the blood doing the work like a fuel, but for the functioning the blood requires some nutrients. Okay, power के लिए कुछ चीज़ की ज़रूरत तो होगी ना, तो that nutrients and minerals doing work for the power. Okay, clear? And the blood only doing, blood is a supplementary organ, means they are the blood only carry with them the nutrients and digest nutrients and minerals and send to the other parts of your body. Clear? Now after that the food reach into the large intestine. Here all the minerals absorbed by the large intestine and some waste particle also they are present. So it through the large intestine it send it to the anus, and anus discharge the all the waste material. Clear? So this is your digestive process. Now student, once we read this all the process, those are given in your page number 35 and 36. You also keep your book with you. Clear? Now we start reading digestion of food. The food we eat does not provide us energy instantly by just entering our mouth and chewing by teeth. It is first broken down by our digestive system into simple parts. It is then transported to various parts of our body through the blood. The process of breaking a food into simple form of called digestion. All the organs shown in the picture are involved in the process of digestion. Let us read about the digestive system and roles played by different organs in this process. The main organs of our digestive system are mouth, food pipe, that is esophagus, stomach, small intestine, this is large intestine. Okay, in this process our liver also help to our stomach. How your liver help in this process? Because the liver provides some juicy enzymes, digestive enzymes. those are help to digestion of the food, help to stomach to digestion in the digestion of the food. Okay, clear? Now first part, mouth. Digestion of food begins. Student, I explain you all the things here, but only we are read that thing once again. Okay, this is the recall for you. I explain you this process. Okay, already I explained you, but we should read one. Mouth. Digestion of food begins in the mouth. The teeth bite and chew the food and broken into small pieces. Yes, when our food enter in the mouth, our teeth start functioning and it divide the food into small particles. छोटे छोटे टुकड़ों में बांट देता है ना. The watery substances in the mouth called saliva. Watery, गीला गीला होता है ना हमारे मुंह में, saliva. Mixes with the food and make it soft and moist. Mix with your food. When you chew the food, that time saliva mix with your food and make it soft. Make it soft and moist. Saliva is released from the salivary glands in the mouth. The food is then swallowed with the help of tongue. Now if you want to swallow means आप निगलना चाहते हो, for that process your tongue help. खाने के बाद आप जब भी खाना निगलोगे ना, अंदर लोगे, तो उस समय आप सोचना कि कैसे जा रहा है. When you eat anything, saliva is released from the salivary glands in the mouth. The food is the swallowed with the help of tongue and then moves down the food pipe. Through the tongue it reaches into the esophagus in the food pipe. Food pipe and esophagus are the both same things, but name. Another name of the food pipe is esophagus. Okay. Now food pipe. Next is food pipe. Food from the mouth, the food passes through the food pipe into the stomach. Okay. Only the food pipe or esophagus transfer our food from the mouth to stomach. मुंह से हमारा खाना कहाँ आ जाता है, हमारे पेट में आ जाता है. स्टमक मीन्स हिंदी में बोलेंगे पेट में आ जाता है. कैसे आता है? हाउ आर फूड रीच इन आवर स्टमक, इनटू आवर स्टमक थ्रू दी फूड पाइप. ओके, नाउ टर्न द पेज, ओपन द पेज नंबर 36. Stomach. The stomach is a hollow muscular bag. I explained you, this is a pouch-like structure. In the stomach, food is mixes with the digestive juices, but our stomach not have any juice. The liver provided digestive juices to our stomach. Clear? Here it is churned and broken down into simple substances. The food then goes into the small intestine. Here our food mix with some digestive juices and become liquid and transfer to our small intestine. Clear? Now the small intestine. The small intestine is the longest organ of the digestive system. This is a coil-like tube. Have you seen the spring? स्प्रिंग देखा ना, पेन में आता है, कैसा होता है? कॉइल वाला होता है ना, गोल गोल घुमा हुआ होता है ना, उसको ऐसे भी घुमाएंगे फिर भी वैसी पोजीशन में. तो सेम आर स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन लाइक ट्यूब, उसका स्ट्रक्चर ऐसा ही होता है. इट इज अबाउट 6 मीटर लॉन्ग. द लेंथ ऑफ आर स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन इज 6 मीटर. 6 मीटर लंबी होती है अगर हम उसको फैलाएंगे. क्लियर? From the stomach, the food enters the small intestine. Here the food breaks down further until it becomes small enough to pass through the walls of the small intestine to reach the blood. The blood absorbs the nutrient from the food and carries them to the all parts of the body. Now next part is small intestine. After that, large intestine, undigested food from the small intestine passes into the large intestine. Okay, those are the rest of the part. Those are the waste part. Send it to the which intestine? Large intestine. Here the minerals and extra water are absorbed by the blood. Blood also functioning there, means those are the water present is there, or some nutrients is there. So the absorb our blood from the large intestine. And then next last is anus. The semi-solid waste is passed out through the anus in the form of fats. Clear? This is the digestion process of our body. Now look here, students. You learn the name of the parts of digestive system. First is mouth, teeth and salivary glands also help to make our food soft, and our teeth divide the food into the small particles. After that, through the esophagus our food reach into the stomach. Here liver gives some digestive juices to our stomach, so our food becomes juicy and turn into the liquid form. Now that liquid food sent it to the small intestine. Small intestine here once again divide our food in the so much liquid, बहुत पानी जैसा बना देती है. And here some pores is present into the small intestine, so that pores absorb the nutrient from the food item and send to the blood, and blood carry that nutrient to the all parts of our body. Now those are the waste material collect into the large intestine, but water is also there and some nutrients also there, so the blood also absorb the nutrients and minerals and water from the large intestine. Now those are the waste particles discharged by the anus. Clear? So this thing happened in our digestive system. Clear? You also learn the name. First is mouth, and once again repeat for you, mouth. After that, esophagus. This is the food pipe. Okay. Now the stomach. After that, small intestine. Large intestine. And last and least is anus. These are the parts of the digestive system. Now student, you have to learn the name of the parts one by one. So if you want to write something about the digestive system, so you have to write this mouth. Which process going on this part? Mouth. Now what is going on the esophagus? Now how the stomach help you, and which part also involved with the stomach. Clear? And what is happened with your food in the stomach. So if you want to write, you have to learn the name of the parts one by one. Clear? Now after that, through the esophagus your food reach into the stomach. After the stomach your food reach into the small intestine. Now after the small intestine your food reach into the large intestine, and last part is anus. Okay, so this thing going into the your digestive system, and this process continuously going into your body. Okay students, means if you whatever you have in your daily routine, your tummy functioning continuously for you. So for that we divide our time for the breakfast, for the lunch, for the snacks and for the dinner. अगर हम पूरे टाइम खाते रहेंगे तो हमारी बॉडी को ज़्यादा वर्क करना पड़ेगा ना, इसलिए हमारा फिक्स होता है ना टाइम. फॉर द ब्रेकफास्ट टाइम होता है ब्रेकफास्ट का 8 to 9 o'clock. After 12 or 1 o'clock we have our lunch. Now between that we should take rest and we also give the rest to our tummy na. Why we give the rest to our tummy? We don't give the rest of our tummy because whatever we have in the lunch and in the breakfast, so that food items are tummy. Okay, we have breakfast, we have lunch and after that you don't have anything ना. दिन में तो हम बहुत कम खाते हैं, but that time our body functioning for us means our digestive process continuously going inside our body. When our food, our lunch enter in our stomach start functioning. By process our food reach to our different digestive organs and they are functioning properly and we get energy. Now students, I told you na कि we have properly, or if you take a balanced diet तो your body become healthy. तो through this process our body become healthy. आप बहुत खाओगे, प्रॉपर खाओगे और आपका डाइजेशन होगा प्रॉपरली तो your body become strong. Clear? Now here I finish my lecture. Now in this lecture I only explain you about the digestion process. Clear students? You also read this chapter once again in front of your mummy and papa or any your elder person those are present in your home. Okay? Means first page 2 means 6th chapter from starting to this process. Digestive system. Also read once or 2 times in your home. Clear? Now students, finish my lecture here. You also read this chapter and take care. Stay healthy and safe. Bye bye.